Have you ever shut down your Outlook email only to remember that you needed to send one more email? If you're like me, you get frustrated because knowing that it takes a little bit for Outlook to open up and get warmed up and ready to go just when you wanted to leave the office. I had that same frustration until I learned about Jumplist. So let me tell you what that's all about. Actually, let me show you what it's all about. Go to your Outlook icon, and mine's buried in my tray down below because I like to have a clean screen, and right click on that Outlook icon. You don't even have to open it. And what will display is what's referred to as the jump list. And from here you can do a new message, new appointments, meeting, contact, or task. So simply by clicking on that, it will open up a new message and you can send it without opening up the full Outlook. So you can go ahead and select who you want to send it to, the topic, you can type in the content of your email, go ahead and click send, and it's done. You're done. So I'm going to go ahead and I'll just put in that, click send, we're done. We never opened up all of Outlook, we crafted the email, and we sent it out. Maybe you thought of something that you needed to do and you wanted to add it to your task list. You can do the same thing. Right click on that Outlook icon, click on New Task, and your task wizard will open, and you can put in that task. And start date we'll say is there, same, and save and close. It's done. It's added to your task list. You did not have to open up Outlook to accomplish that objective. So if Outlook's not open and you want to do any number of those things, an email, message, a new appointment, meeting, contact, task, you don't have to have it open. You right click on that, select the activity that you want to do, enter in all the information, and you're done. Exit out and you're good to go. I hope you enjoyed this productivity pointer. Give us a thumbs up if you did. Thanks and have a great day.